I got Nintendo Switch All, and as you can see the screen have some issues. Let's open it and change the screen. And they have no screws here. The first thing, disconnect the battery. Second, take the card reader out. And this is the screen connector. Disconnect the screen connector. It's time to heat the screen. After heated, just try to take the screen out. And the screen is out. I use this amazing tools from Casey to clean this part. As you can see, it's perfect. And this is a brand new screen. Before put any glue, you should test the screen and then put any type of glue. Let's return all the parts back and test. The console is on. As you can see, the screen is working perfect. I put a paper tape to protect the screen. After 2-3 hours I will remove everything. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.